Hey guys, it's Eileen from Bates Photography. Today, it's all about the black Australorp chicken and our thoughts on them. As you can see, she's always front and center. This is our Maryanne. Hey honey, you want some? Good one. All right. What about your sisters? Let's give them something. So the black Australorp is really a #1 choice for backyard birds especially. They are tremendous egg layers, and you're a good girl, honey. You're a good girl. And Maryanne, in fact, laid her first egg for us yesterday. So she is only 23 weeks. All of these chickens are 23 weeks, except for our Polish. She's a little older, yet none have started to lay eggs yet. And I did hear that it's not uncommon for them to start laying around 6 months. But the black Australorp actually has a record of laying 364 eggs in a year, which is amazing. So I don't think that's the norm. I think it averages, 300 eggs a year, which is amazing. So almost every day, every other day. And again, she was the first, and it's a beautiful light brown egg. And we are just thrilled with her personality. She is not, she struggles with certain things. I'm trying to see if I can get in here to show you her again. She struggles with trying to figure out how to jump on the perch. And I don't know if that's just a Maryanne thing, because we had other black Australorps in the past and no problem with jumping on a perch, but she struggles. She's a big gal, and we love her. So black Australorps, because they're dual purpose, they can be raised for meat birds, but I think most of the time, because their egg production is so fantastic, most people are keeping them for eggs. So I highly recommend a black Australorp. If you're looking at a new flock of chickens, they're super sweet with kids. The other one we had could be held. These girls, because they're in a chicken tractor, we don't want to lose them. We lost one of our Orpingtons to a hawk years ago, and I never want that happening. But they're moved every other day, getting fresh grass, and they just really enjoy this chicken tractor. But they're really, really docile birds and great for families. You could see she was the first to come running for her treats. And they're just like any other pet, They're always looking for their treats, and they're sweet and happy. So, guys, let me know what birds you have and if you have an Australorp. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.